Prize po natin ngayong gabi ay 21,947,220 centavos. Kasama po ni Mr. Leo Campo, ang chairman ng
Ayan, nandiyan na.
Mega Lotto. Okay, thank you very much to our chairperson and to the members.
Tango pa eh.
Para nakatawa pa eh, no?
Po ang bawat isinasagawang lotto draw ng PCSO. 6 out of 45 numbers po ang hinihintay nating piliin ng ating Mega Gem. And the first number is
Number 27.
27. The Mega Lotto draw is held every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can buy advance tickets from 2 up to 6 consecutive draws. And the second number is
Number 34.
34. Apat na numero pa. Rumble po ito. The numbers don't have to come in any particular order.
Oy, tapos na!